Of course, inline 4. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. The older version has like the black decals dito sa front niya. Ba yung hatak nito? Sobra.
Pag gusto mong ilamin mag-expressway sir, walang problema.
Uy, yun o. Nice, nice. Thank you, sir. Salamat, salamat. Of course. What is up? Jeff Lane here once again. Welcome back to another episode. And today we are gonna talk about your dream bike. What is your dream bike? Laging tinatanong yan eh. I'm not sure with you guys, no, pero ako kasi bata pa lang ako. Always dream of riding bikes whenever I see ones. I'm sure hindi lang ako, no? Whenever we see big bikes sa kalsada or sa daan, talagang napakatitigan natin mabuti. When I was high school, my dad owns Raider 150, which is ginagamit niya pang service sa trabaho. So that time hindi tayo marunong magmotor. It's just alam lang natin mag-balance kasi nagbibisikleta tayo ng bata eh. So parang ganun lang talaga yung foundation ko from bicycle. Experience the speed and I fell in love with it. Oo. Yung concept na you have the control on the speed ng isang machine. So that for me is my taking point. Ayun no. So dami ko nang nakwento pero nawala, out of topic na yung kwento natin. Pero going back to the main topic. So what really is your dream bike? I know everyone has their own dream bike sa puso nila. So some people wanted really nice sports bike. So may different categories naman eh. So we have the touring and sports type ng bike. If money or anything is not a problem, like comfort, what kind of bike would you choose? So sa market ngayon maraming silang ino-offer landa. Sobrang dami ng bagong labas. So for me yung what you call it, I'd go for a sports bike. Honda CBR Triple R Fireblade SP, particularly yung 2018 or 2020 model. Basta yung black yung niya, yung kulay nung harap niya. It's siya, naka kulay red, white and blue. So yung winning red color or yung Fireblade color. Pero yung parang yung pinakaharap niya, kasi yung iba ngayon yung mga bagong model is white, and then the 2024 is also white na parang may sungay sa harap yung itsura nung decals niya sa harap. Yeah. So yung gusto ko is yung 2000 or yung medyo older model. Pero at the end of the day kasi kanya-kanyang purpose yan eh. Kanya-kanyang style or kanya-kanyang hilig. Depends on what type of motorcycle you wanna have. Pero sa akin kasi yung CBR na yun that really captures my attention. It's a 1000cc bike. I think 990 plus originally. Pero yun nga, it's considered as a liter bike. Dito tayo sa Honda Motorsports, Santo Domingo, Angeles City, Pampanga. Ito yung flagship branch nila. Pagpasok mo parang bubulaga na sa iyo lahat ng mga big bikes na ganyan. Ayan, so Africa Twin, ganito yung bike ni Jetley, I think, na ginagamit niya. Tapos dito meron tayong CBR 500R. This is a twin cylinder. Ayan. So dito yung mga lower CCs na motorcycles.
Para mapakita mo yung panel.
Oh, yun. Thank you sir. Ayan. So
Gusto mo bang i-try sa labas?
saan sir?
Gusto mo try?
Pwede? Oy! Guys, papatry sa atin ni Sir, ano pangalan sir? Arman. Also known as Chismosong Rider. Yan. Follow natin yan guys. So, ayun, papatry ni Sir Arman sa atin yung kanyang personal bike, which is the CBR 500R. You know? Iba. So this is the CBR 500R ni Sir Arman, one of the managers here sa Honda Motor Sports Incorporated flagship branch sa Angeles. And he's also a moto vlogger. Ayan, Chismosong Rider. Ayan guys, tignan nyo. Okay, so follow nyo lang yan guys. So first impression ka, halos kasing height lang ng CBR 150R. Ito nga yung 500. Solid. Ba yung hatak nito, sobra. So kalahati ito ng dream bike natin, which is 1000cc bike. Naka-stock muffler pa siya, kaya medyo hindi rinig yung twin cylinder niya. Pero once na pinalitan mo to ng aftermarket exhaust, solid yung tunog nito. Tsaka gandahan sa kita mo sa may panel gauge niya, lahat ng kailangan mo. So we have gear indicator, we have the speedometer. So nandyan din yung temp niya dito sa bandang taas. And of course trip A, trip B. And then we also have the odometer sa baba. So same ng halos ng bagay na bagay oh. So same siya halos ng ng feature ng CBR natin, which is this one. Pero dito makikita mo talaga yung tangke niya, which is mas malaki tsaka mas wide. Tapos yung body positioning niya halos pares lang din naman, hindi siya masyadong aggressive. Ayun, and yeah, it's a really good bike. And also it's a 500, of course it's 500 cc bike, so expressway legal na siya. So yun lang. And really again, thank you kay Sir Arman, dahil ayun, pinatry niya sa atin yung personal bike niya, which is the CBR 500. So kung papakita mo yung comparison, halos magkamukha lang talaga sila. So ito 500, this is 150 CBR Fireblade. So parang ito yung pinakabunso, ito yung middle child, tapos yung tatay nandun. So kompleto, naka ano siya rito, naka may air intake siya rito sa may upuan, which is sa atin wala. Makita mo parang pares lang sila halos, pero ito wala siyang air intake dito. So yun. Tapos ayun nga, pagpasok mo rito sa may shop mismo, bubulaga sa iyo yung mga big bikes na ayan. This is the touring, I think the touring section bike. So dito yung Africa Twin, and then dito meron tayong I think CB 1000, CB 650, nandito yan. So CB 652 I think, yeah, inline 4. So dalawa yan, isang red, isang black. Tapos dito, this one is this is also CB650. So ito siya. So makikita mo dyan yung lahat ng information nila, and specs. So CB650R. So ayan, dami nilang option na ganun. Tapos ito, yung kaninang sinakyan natin, which is CBR 500R. Ito yung naked bike niya. So this is a CB 500R. Sorry, CB 500F. So yan, lahat makikita nyo dyan. Pero ito yung pinunta talaga natin dito, which is the CBR Fireblade Triple R SP. So ito yung, if not the longest, one of the longest names ng sports bike, which is again CBR 1000 Triple R Fireblade SP. So yeah, displacement is 1000, so hindi pala siya 99 something pa. So it's saradong 1,000. So it's a liter bike, and of course inline 4. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, the older version has like the black decals dito sa front niya, tapos everything looks the same. Pero lang yung sa 2024 model, no, medyo magkaiba sila ng fairings. So inline 4, kita mo dyan, naka radiator guard na yata siya. Tapos it comes with stock exhaust na Akrapovic or Acra, yun sabi nila. Tire, napakalaki. Kita nyo naman, no, kulang pa yung dangkal ko sa sobrang laki niya. Tapos ang size ng gulong niya is, yeah, it's a 200 by 55. So ganun kalaki yung rear tire niya. This one is really very aggressive bike. Lalo na yung older version niya. At alam ko ito parang pinakalma na ng konti. So hindi na siya ganun ka-aggressive. But still aggressive. Makita niyo naman, no? Yung connection ng handlebar sa fork is nakababa na halos. So yung yuko ka dyan, lalo na if you are a short rider like me. So mayroon pa rin siyang pillion seat, pero yung iba pinapalitan na nila to ng single seat cowl para mas maganda. And then yun lang. So just the looks will make you amazed na may ganitong bike. So sa kabila meron yung Yamaha, which is the Yamaha R1M. Meron silang display doon. Na-check na rin natin before yun, pero hindi tayo nakapag-vlog doon kasi wala pa tayong permission. So dito yung office nila. Sa likod is the service area, and again dito naman is yung lower CCs. And there you can see the staff na mag-assist sa inyo whenever you enter. Dito pa lang sa harap. Okay, solin natin yung susi ni Sir Arman, or that chismosong rider. Sir, thank you very much sa opportunity. Pag-ride na. Sinubukan ko lang dito, sir. Oh. Parang ano niya, ang layo ng hatak niya dito sa gamit ko. Nagulat ako nung una.
First gear niya, 80 to 90.
First gear lang, 80 to 90. Grabe ang hatak. Tapos twin cylinder yun, sir, no?
Twin cylinder yun. Twin cylinder.
Lalo na pag pinalitan mo ng aftermarket yung
Pero kaso ayaw ko kasi na maingay.
sa bagay. Bulaho kasi yan, panigurado, sir, no?
Kung malayuan ka, apektado din yung pandinig.
Oh, pagtagal. Kaya yung iba naglalagay sila ng earplug eh.
Isa yun.
So, yun. Paalam na rin ako, sir. Thank you so much.
Pag gusto mo namin mag-expressway, sir, walang problema.
Uy, yun oh. Nice. Thank you, sir. Salamat. Of course. Try natin yan. Sir, thank you so much again.
Ingat, sir.
Ayun. So, narinig niyo yun, guys. Just in case gusto daw natin i-try ulit yung CBR 500 ni Sir Arman and go to Expressway, we can definitely try it. Yeah, siguro we'll do a separate vlog for that, but for now let's headway home kasi medyo matagal na tayo nasa labas, baka magalit naman na si Commander. So ayan, nakalagay lahat ng promos nila dyan. So if you guys are going to go here, it's just beside Sea Oil. Ito yung LTO Angeles, and that way is going to AUF. So yan, madali lang siya. Kahit na i-ano nyo lang, i-Google Maps nyo lang or Waze, just type yan, Honda Big Bike flagship ng Angeles, kasi ito lang naman yung flagship branch. So yun lang, guys. Let's head way home. Ayun, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Ride safe and stay safe.